Ooh-wee, you guys, welcome to Behind the Recipe. Me and Parks right here. We got some buttermilk brine fried chicken with some Bubby's pickles.
Yum.
Ooh-wee. Okay, what you gonna do first, Parks?
Well, I don't know what that is, but I'm going for it. I think it's a wing.
That's a wing.
Okay, I'm going for a wing.
Okay, me
Bubby's
too.
pickle. Boy, it's hot.
Actually, I'm gonna go for a breast.
Right? Out of the oven. Wow.
Mmm.
It's really hot.
Mmm.
I don't know how you ate that.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Sometimes I amaze myself.
This is a summer picnic right here. Right in our kitchen.
You know, taking that extra step to brine the chicken,
Yeah.
it's so tender
And moist.
and moist and juicy.
Yep.
All the way to the center. I mean, look at that. So good.
And this is your tribute recipe
To
New Orleans.
to New Orleans and Austin Leslie,
Mm-hmm.
one of my favorite chefs. When I met him, I don't remember the first time I met him, but it was definitely in the late 80s. And it was before I went to culinary school.
Really?
But I knew him for years, even after I went to culinary school. And I just loved him. He was just this really cool guy. He always wore a captain's hat and his white chef coat. And he also had a television show. I can't think of what the name of it is right now. It might have been like Leslie's Place or Austin Leslie. I don't know. And he played kind of himself on the show. But his food was so good. And I have this tiny little pamphlet. It's like 25 pages, a little tiny pamphlet. It's a recipe book of his that he did. And he had Chez Helene for a long time, and then he went to another place, and I can't remember the name of that. But and then he passed away. So sad. But this chicken, I don't know. I have to look at his recipe again, but the pickles are really the tribute to him.
Really?
Yeah.
Well,
Is this the best fried chicken you ever had? I mean, is it finger licking good?
it's definitely finger looking good.
Okay.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Well, if you saw it here, guys, you can do this. I know you can. Thanks for
Just want to
watching.
watch you. Just want to let you do it and see everything bubbling and boiling and turning brown.
Really?
Yeah. It's amazing.
So good.
Thank you. I'll take that.
Chicken breast. Right?
Fantastic.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Follow me on TikTok. Really good tips on there. Okay.
Okay.
We'll see you later.
See you guys.
We're going to eat.